Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Yebola, the real mom life. In today's video, we're going to be learning about how to make your transparent liquid soap with just two chemicals. Yes, with just two chemicals, you're going to be making 8 liters of transparent liquid soap. Now, let me tell you something. This liquid soap can serve as a dishwash and also as a hand wash. Now, this is what the transparent liquid soap looks like 6 hours after the production. By the next day, it was clearer than this. Let us go into the production proper and let me explain to you the things you'll be using for this production. To make 8 liters of transparent liquid soap, we're going to be using SLS and texapon. I'm going to write the quantity in the description below. So now in this container, this is 6 liters of water. I added 2 liters later. You will notice in the production as we proceed. I just did not show you that. So in my 8 liters of water, I'm going to be adding my SLS. After adding my SLS, I'm going to mix it. Now the mixing does not have to be too much. You just you mixing and then you cover. Set aside for like 10 minutes. 10 minutes, you have a clear solution, right? So I'm stirring here, nothing too serious, and then I'll cover and leave it aside for the solution to be clear. Now after 10 minutes, I'm going to come back to this production and I will turn this solution into another bowl because I'm going to be working with this particular transparent bowl for you guys to see clearly what we are making. After turning the soap, I rinsed the bowl and then started production. Now let me tell you something. When you are making liquid soap, when you are dealing with chemicals, it is important that you take your safety seriously. Make sure you use hand glove, make sure you cover your nose, and make sure that you have a clean water down in case of spillage. In this kind of production, there's really nothing serious, so you are really safe. You can see I'm not even using my glove. So now in this transparent bowl, I'm adding my texapon. It's 600 gram. I'm adding texapon into this transparent bowl. Yes, this is 600 gram of texapon. Then after that, I'm going to be adding my table salt. Yes, the normal salt that we eat, that you have in your kitchen. That is what I'm going to be adding to this production, and I will stir. I will stir. Remember, I always tell you guys that if you have been watching my previous videos, I always tell you that when you are making household product, stirring is important because one, it will affect your production. If you don't stir well, it will reduce the quantity of your production, and also it will not make your production to come out well. You know, it will have lumps. So you don't want that kind of production. So now look at what I'm doing. I'm going to turn it. I stir it. Even off the camera, I did a lot of stirring because it was really thick. And I wanted it that way because I want my soap to be thick and I want it to also foam very well. And you know texapon is a foaming agent. So I'm adding 100 gram to complete 400 gram of salt in my production. So I stir very well. When I say stir, I mean stir very, very well. Like you are turning your amala. Yes, if you can do that, please do it. The main thing is that you want your production to be smooth and you want it to be clear, right? Now, after stirring, I'm going to be adding my XLS solution that I set aside before. I'm going to be adding it small, bit by bit. As I'm adding, I'm stirring. As I'm adding, I'm stirring. As I'm adding, I'm stirring. Can you see what is happening now? So while doing this, you will notice that the soap will be thickening. In fact, you will find it difficult to turn at a point. It will be very, very thick and it will be cloudy. Do not be afraid. If your soap is cloudy, that means you're on the right track. You are doing something well. You are doing something good. Your production is excellent. It will be cloudy at first. All you just need to do is just to stir. Like after pouring all the SLS solution into your production, you stir it very, very well. You guys can see that it's actually, I used 8 liters of water. You can see where the quantity of the soap is. So I stir, but you can see the way the soap is foaming. See, this soap is excellent. It can serve as your hand wash. All you just need to do is after production, you add glycerin into it. For dishwash it's not necessary, but if you want to use that hand wash, it's important you add glycerin to it for moisturizing effect, right? So now after stirring my soap, as it is now, my soap is ready. I can even use it to wash plates as it is now. But now, because I want a clear solution, I want a transparent liquid, so don't forget that what we are making. I'm going to cover this and set it aside. Advisable for 8 hours or the next day. Now I left the solution, and the next day I will show you what it looks like, right? Now bear in mind this, most times I come back to check and then to turn again. I come back to check and turn again, which is what I just did now in this video, right? Now let me tell you something. This production cost me less than 2,500. I bought the SLS 1,002. I bought the texapon 1,002. The perfume I put inside, I have it at home before, but it's less than 200 naira perfume because it's just 10 ml of perfume I used, and color is 100 naira. So just do your math and you know that this production is actually cost effective and is very very good. It's a good production, right? So now this is what my soap looks like the next day. I think the video is not doing justice to it, but this is what it looks like. When you want to add your perfume, do not add your perfume directly to the production. Do not, especially if you are working with lemon fragrance, all these lemon, orange. No, do not. Take a small portion of your production in another bowl and then add your perfume. The same thing to when you want to add your colors, right? Because I'm not going to be talking about that when it gets to that point. I'll be talking to you guys about something else. So now I'm adding my my perfume. You will see the way it will be cloudy. Just watch, you will see the way it will be cloudy. That is why I do not want to add it to my production, because it's going to affect it. After mixing, you now add to your production. If you were to be working with hand wash, if you were to be doing your hand wash, you can add your glycerin before your perfume, and you can add your glycerin directly. You don't have to set a portion aside. You can add it directly to the production. Now I'm going to add my perfume into this production. When I turn it, do not worry about how it is. It will still be clear. Do not worry. If your own is changing somehow, don't worry, it will still be clear. As long as you follow this my instruction, it will still be clear. Okay, so after doing this, I'm going to divide my soap into 3 portions. The reason is because I want to show you guys what it looks like in a golden yellow color, in a green color, and also in a pink color, right? So like I said earlier, what I'm going to do is I'm divide it in 3 portions. Then I will mix with the colors. The colors are already dissolved. I'm going to show you in the video. You will see it as you continue watching. It will be dissolved, and the colors are already dissolved, and I'm going to set a small portion from my divided soap. I will add the color inside before I add it to the main production. Just watch this and then you will understand what I'm talking about. So meanwhile guys, I just want you to know that if you want me to continue giving you this kind of content, please share this video, please like, comment, subscribe. It will do me a whole lot. I'll be happy to do more. I have a lot for you guys, I'm not even joking. So please comment, subscribe, like my comment. And if you want me to tell you where to get your chemicals, or you want contacts of where you can get chemicals in your location, you can always send a message to me, a direct message to me with the link. My Instagram link is in the description box below, right? So guys, I want you to know that people are making money on a daily basis on soap making. This production is not multi-purpose. Check my video, you will see multi-purpose. I can add the link to my multi-purpose video. But this particular one is perfect for dishwash, it's perfect for hand wash. Don't be deceived guys, this thing is foamy. Hey God, I'm not even capping. When you do yours, you will understand what I'm talking about. This production, and it cleans like, oh God, it's really lovely. It's a nice product. I really love it. I really love it. and I'm sure you will love it too when you make your own. You can use this production to also do souvenirs. Yes, you can see the first view you saw was me putting it in a bottle as souvenir. Yes, you can use it as gift to your friends. Do you understand? And let me tell you something, making money online now is not about you trying to browse and all that. You can actually acquire skill like this, sell to your neighbor, you know, do it in bulk, sell to offices, brand it, package it. When you brand your production, you are giving it a good look. People will definitely buy, people will buy it. Imagine using less than 2005 to do this kind of production. Imagine, just imagine. Okay, let's even say let me add my color and my perfume, less than 3,000 naira. Still, it's still less than 3,000 naira, and you're getting 8 liters of soap. Now imagine you packing it in 500 ml bottle as hand wash. If you pack it in 500 ml as hand wash, you should be getting like 16 bottles, if not more, because this actually even more than eight. It's more than 8 liter, considering the things that we've added that is going to also be included in the volume of the production. So let's even give or let's say 16 liters, 16 containers of hand wash. Now imagine you selling it. Let's say the country is so terrible and all that, but you are not trying to, people are selling their own 1,500, they're selling their own 2,000. You say you want to sell your own 1,000 naira. That's 16,000 naira. How much did you buy container for 16 pieces? Let's say you are buying container to 200 naira. Just do your calculation, you will still see that you are making times two, more than times two of your money from this production. Do not sleep on this, do not sleep on this, please. Do not sleep on this. So guys, thank you so much for watching this. I'm so grateful, and please guys, do not forget to share, do not forget to like and comment. If there's any production you want me to make, please write it in the comment section and I will do it. I'm going to show you in my next video. I have something interesting at the end. I showed you guys where I was using this particular soap to wash plates, and for you to just see that it's not like I'm just like doing magic here. It's actually soap. We just made soap with texapon, SLS and salt. That is all. Texapon, SLS and salt. That is all. So guys, I'm very grateful for you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, encourage me. It's not easy to come out here. I'm really a shy person. It's not easy for me to bring myself out here. Now this is the production after putting it, after mixing the color and then putting it in containers. Can you just see? You to look at this now. You to just look at this. Imagine, just look at this now. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Don't sleep on this, guys. Do not sleep on it. Do not sleep on it. Multiple liquid soap, people are selling it for 20,000 naira now. Yes, 25 liters, they're selling 20,000 naira now. And with less than 8k, you will make that 25 liter. Do not sleep on it. I'm not even joking. Do not sleep on this skill. This skill is very, very important. You will need it. See how foamy it is. See the way it's cleansing. See the way it's washing my plate. See the guys, thank you so much. I think I'm talking too much, but I'm so happy to be back. Thank you so much. And please, if you want to keep seeing videos like me, like this of me, please encourage me.